Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z exam group platform. Today I will study about ICC 9th Mathematics Algebra section, right friends? In that we will study about expansion. Expansion. So let's begin. Algebra first, और इसमें जो हमारा टॉपिक है that is expansion. So the very first formula that is used is a plus b whole square. It means that it is a plus b into a plus b. And how you will multiply it? You will take a plus b plus this plus sign, right? B. Then this whole bracket a plus b. Right friends? And when you are going to multiply it, you will multiply a into a plus this a into multiplied by b plus b into a plus b into b, right? Then this will become a into a means a to the power 2 plus ab, this is ba, you can write it as ab because this is same thing, and b means b power 2, right? So you can write it as a square, ab it is a 2 times, so you can write it as 2 ab, and this can be written as b square, right friends? So the expansion of a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Expansion of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now we see the question based on this, right friends? So if it is given to you a plus 2b whole square, then how you will approach this question? Simply means square of first term, that is a square plus twice of first term means a into second term plus b square means square of the second terms, it means 2b whole square, right? You can write it as a square plus 2 into 2, it become multiplied 4, and it is ab plus 4b square. So students, I hope that this formula a plus b whole square is clear to you, right friends? Now let's come to the next question. Simply suppose that if two numbers is given to you, right friends? Two numbers is given to you. If it is written as 5 plus 2 whole square, then you can directly write it as what? 5 plus 2 7, and 7 square 49. But you can use like this also, 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 2 plus 2 square, and this can be written as 25 plus 2 to 5 10 10 into 2 20 plus 4. If you add all these things, this will give you 49. So friends, I hope that these two examples are suffice to clear your understanding, right? And now move to the next formula. That's a minus b whole square. How you will expand it? It means a minus b multiplied a minus b. It means a multiplied by this whole expression a minus b, right? A minus b, and then minus b multiplied with a minus b, and now you multiply this a with this a, right? Means a into a, and now you have to multiply this a with this b. It means a into b minus, you have to multiply this b with this a, means b into a, and now you have to multiply this b with this b, then minus b multiplied with this b, right? So this is a become a square, this is ab, and b you can write it as ab, right friends? And now this h also minus minus, it become plus, so b square, right friends? So now you can simply write it as this a square minus twice of b plus b square. So this is expansion of a minus b whole square. So now you can write it as a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us solve a question based on this a minus b whole square. So let's take a question. 2a minus 3b whole square. What you have to do? You have to use this formula directly, right? So it become square of first term. It means 2a whole square minus twice of first term, means 2a into second term 3b plus square of second term, right friends? So you can simply write it as 4a square minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So it is 12 ab plus 9b square, right friends? So you get 4 square minus 12ab plus 9b square. Now move to the next formula, friends. So if you will add above two formula, then what will happen? It means simply if you add a if you add a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which result will come? Write down the expansion of both. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab, and expansion of second one is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you are seeing that a square here and a square here, so it becomes 2a square, and you are seeing that it is a b square and it is a b square. It means it is two times, so you can write it as 2b square, right? And it is a plus 2ab and it is minus 2ab, so both will cancel out, right friends? And you can 2 common 2 here because 2 is with a square terms and 2 is also with b square terms. So you can take common 2 a square plus b square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So this is the formula for if there is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, then you can simply write it as twice of a square plus b square. Now what will happen if you subtract these two, right friend? So let us see these things also. So now we will see what will happen if you subtract these two, right? So if a plus b whole square and minus a minus b whole square, then it means a square plus b square plus 2ab, right friends? If you are going to subtract it, then it is minus a square and it is minus b square and it is plus 2ab. Then this and this will be cancelled out and this will be cancelled out, right friends? So you will get twice ab plus twice ab. This will give you 4ab. It means when you are going to subtract these two formulas, right friends, you will get 4ab. Now move to next question. Next formula. Simply take if this is given to you as a plus b plus c whole square, right friends? Then what is the extension of this? You can also derive this by which a plus b plus c multiplied a plus b plus c. The expansion or the derivation of this formula is not in your course, but I am going to tell you, right friends? So multiply a with a with the terms a plus b plus c, and then this b will be multiplied with all the terms, right? B a plus b plus c, and now this c will be multiplied with this expression a plus b plus c. So this will become, if you multiply this a with this expression, then it will become a into a plus a into b plus a into c. And now you to multiply this b with all the terms, change the color so you will differentiate. This will become b into a, right? This b into b, then b into c, and now this c into a, then c into b, then c into c square. Now you are seeing the very peculiar thing, friends. A into a, it means a square. Add similar terms at a one place, and you are going to see b into b. It becomes b square, right? So write b square. And now you are seeing that it is c square. Write it also here, c square. And this is ab, this is ab, ba. This simply means ab. You can interchange the location. This is ab, this is ab. It means it is a twice ab, right friends? Similarly, this is AC, and you are seeing here it is also AC, so it is also twice. So you can write it as twice of AC. And now this is BC and this is CB. CB means it is BC, so simply you can write it as twice of BC. Right friends? So this is the nothing but the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square. Right friends? So you can simply learn this formula and solve the questions in very short time. Right friends? Now let us see some more expansion. The next one is the next expansion is the next expansion friends. This is A plus 1 upon A whole square. This pen is very less thick, so let us increase thickness of this right hands. So first of all remove this all this stuff. Now take another pen. A plus 1 upon A whole square, right? And this is on the pattern of A plus B whole square. At the place of B, it is what? It is 1 by A, right friends? So using the identity, which identity you will use here? You have to use A plus B whole square, and this is A square plus B square is 2AB, friends, right? So at the place of B you can put 1 upon it simply, right? This will become A square plus 1 upon A square plus twice of first term means A to second term, that means 1 by A, and 1 and 1 A it will cancel out, and this will give you A square plus 1 by A square plus 2. Right friends? So this is expansion of A square. Now move to next formula, and that formula is A 1 by A. Next one is A minus 1 by A whole square. Right friends? So in this you can use A 1 minus B whole square. So this give you A square plus B square minus 2ab. Similarly, at the place of b, you can simply put 1 by a and you will get the same formula over here. This will give a square plus 1 by a square minus twice of a into 1 by a, and this a cancel out. You will get a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. And friends, and now let's go derive the next formula. So if you add above two formula, it means if you simply add a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 upon a whole square, then what you will get? You will get a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 plus 2 plus a square minus 1 upon a square minus 2. It means this cancel out, and now you will get a square, because it is a 2 times, so it is, you can write it 2 square plus this is also 2 times, so you can write it 2 into 1 by a square, and now you can take common 2, so it becomes a square plus 1 by a square. Right friends? And now if you subtract above two formulas, then what you will get? You will get a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square. It simply means a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus a square minus 1 by a square and plus 2 means this term and this term will be cancelled out, this and this will be cancelled out, and now this and this will be cancelled out, and this plus 2 and plus 2 it gives you 4, right friends? So it means a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square. This gives you what? This gives you 4, right friends? And now we have to solve some questions. So let's take some question first. If it is given to us x plus 1 by x equal to 2 is given to us, right friends? And what we have to find out? We have to find out x square plus 1 by x square and x power 4 plus 1 by x की power 4. This is given to us, right? And these two things we have to find out. Then what we will do? Square this both side, squaring both side. What we will get? We will get x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2 square, right friends? This will give you x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 4. If you transfer the side up to, then it will become x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 4 minus 2. This will give you x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 2, right friends? So let us write this equation number 1, right? And you have got the first solution, right? The value of x square plus 1 upon x square. But now you want the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. And so if you square equation number 1 again, squaring above equation, what you will get? X square plus 1 by x square, and now it is a 2 square. You will get again x square the square plus 1 by x square to the square plus twice of x square into 1 by x square, and this is 4. So it gives you x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equal to 4. And now again, if you transfer to that side, right hand side, right, then you will get 4 minus 2. You will get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to, right friends? I hope that this will be clear to you, right friends? So in this class we end this session over here, and in next class we will solve some more questions. So friends, if you this lecture is useful to you, then subscribe, share and write your comment in the comment box. That's why we will make this lecture more useful to you. Thank you students.